motorcycles. Can you call 911?
No, 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 no.
You okay? Thanks for that pass, jackass. Hey. Dude, the camera right here. Try it. Try it. Got your license plate. Right here. Right here. Oh, Jesus. But where are you trying to go? There's a car right here. There's a car right here. I don't even know where you're going.
It's a one-way street, dude. One way. It's a one-way. What? You're gonna kill somebody, dude. One way. He's on the phone though.
Is he? Beep him. Beep him.
Yeah, he's on the phone.
What, with kids?
Yeah.
Him.
Oh yeah, look, now he's put the phone down, look. Twat. Oh, did he just try and swerve and hit you? Little dickhead. What a little dickhead. Is he seriously getting out of his car?
You're on the phone, what? What am I doing? 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 Why are you swerving trying to hit me? What do you mean what am I doing? I'm driving. I'm riding. I'm riding. I've got your number plate, yeah?
What a dickhead.
PK65XYA. Motherfucker.
What a dickhead.
Got my car in the kid, but f off.
What you doing?
I took the road narrow and ran over.
Get out, mother. Get out. Hey, you tried to hit me on camera.
You took the road. Hey man.
Yeah. What you gonna do? Don't talk.
Road too narrow.
Don't talk.
Get your camera.
You.
Yeah, look at your camera.
Don't try to hit nobody, you dumb. Hey, it'll be worse on you next time.
Yeah, we'll see.
I promise you.
Please do.
Lach du mir! Alter! Geil, gerade nochmal geklebt. Alter Josh. Geht's Josh? Verletzt irgendwie Schmerzen? Ja, Hockey, beruhig dich einfach. Hockey, beruhig dich einfach. Ja. Ist gut, oder? Sorry, mate?
What's your problem? Got a problem, have you? With me?
No, I don't.
Why give me a finger? Why come around me being stupid? Well, you got a problem. Sort it out now.
Well, I'm about to be run over by some on the car.
I don't give a Sort it out now.
Look, you're able to leave me alone, mate.
Well, why give me the finger? I'm coming
Can
around
you
me
tell
stupid.
Roachy here to off?
That's my son you're talking about.
Drive past my house one more time, cut. Mean it.
Hey.
I will give it to you. Because I'm sick of it, right?
Okay.
Drive past my house because you've given me the
No,
finger
I
too.
didn't mean that, though.
Bull.
What about me down
Oh,
there on
that-
Tottenham Road?
Great.
Are you beeping at me? Are you beeping at me? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Are you f***ing mad? I'm gonna give this guy. Oh. Are you mad? Are you stupid? I'm not even trying to f***ing follow you. I'm just trying to drive. You got a gun, have you? You f***ing twat. I'm going this way. You're an idiot. You you rat.